This is a very serious issue. Very serious issue because we are playing with the lives of students. The government is playing with the lives. Especially the police are not focused. हांव कित्याक म्हणटा? कित्याक पयलीं सुवातेर हो प्रश्न आमी about the suicides in the campus in BITS Pilani आमी ह्या विधानसभेन last विधानसभेन घातलेलो about the number of deaths that have happened there. And it is shocking. Annexure A of my LAQ 147, if you look, at that time they had shown only that there were 3 deaths. Okay, this is the reply. 3 deaths. The first death they have shown of one Om Priyans Singh, resident जो 20-year-old. Second दाखवले अथर्व म्हणून. तिसरे दाखवले कृष्णा म्हणून. Now these sequence जरी तर चल्यार the first death was shown as 10th December 2024. दुसरो 5th March 2025 आणि तिसरो 1st May 2025. हे चोयल्यार this is the reply. Now आमी बारीकशी हेजेर चौकशी केली and I make an allegation on the department that the department is lying. They are not focused. The first death पडली ही 20th February 2024 जाली. Akash Kumar Gupta म्हणलो. So the information itself, the police department is sleeping. I don't know whether they are also their information they are under the influence of some substance. Why are you hiding? Number 2, आमी इंचारले की what was the reason for committing suicide? And right from 2024, if you looked at the reason, not known, inquiry in progress of the first one. Second death, not known, inquiry in progress. Third one, not known, inquiry in progress. म्हणजे ही इन्क्वायरी एक वर्सा पासून हे सरकारा सोंपना. आतां मुखेलमंत्री म्हाका दिसता स्टेटमेंट दिला इन्क्वायरी इन प्रोग्रेस. हे कोणा साल्वार करपाक हो प्रयत्न चल्ला. I allege basically the management of BITS Pilani has to be booked. This is a very, very serious case where drugs like MDMA, ecstasy, हे सगळे पडे थिंगा ही 100 मिटरा मध्ये जोरी कोडे एक जागा थिंगा हे सगळे सप्लाय जाता. आज जोरी तर चयल्यार हो सरकार serious ना. Goa is known to be a drug tech capital. If you look at the recent numbers of the number of accused persons, as per the reply given to me in the last assembly, 2023 and foreigner आले 21, non-Goan आले 98, गोएंकार आले 47, 24 and foreigner आले 24, non-Goan आले 113, गोएंकार आले 55. And up to 30th June, what is shocking is foreigner झाले 17, non-Goan झाले 60. But locals are 37 in 6 months. So why are locals also getting into this drug trade? There's a complete chaos. Everything is linked to unemployment. Everything is linked to inflation. आज जरी तर चयल्यार म्हाका दिसता the police department needs to answer. What are they investigating? Who are you protecting? The SP or the DG, whoever made a statement after this that drugs was not the cause of the death mo. If you look after it has been seen from that test, random test, it is very clear that there seemed to be like a cocktail type of drugs, ecstasy, MDMA. So ये institutean कितको पावताय, कोण पावयता, आणि हे drugs पड पावता, एजो म्हाका दिसता पाब्लो एस्कोबार कोण. मुखेलमंत्रीन जेन्ना सांगले 43 kg ड्रग्स उमके थायलंडाच होईल मग मुखेलमंत्रीन स्टेटमेंट केलेलो. बट आज जेन्ना आमी विधानसभेन जाले ते प्रश्न आमी विधानसभेन मांडलो की हे थायलंडांतल्यान येला अशें मुखेलमंत्रीन केला डिपार्टमेंट म्हणटा आपणाक खबर ना खंयच्यान येलो ते. सो दीस ड्रग्स मेनन्स नीड्स टू स्टॉप. पीपल आर कमिंग हियर ओनली टू कंज्यूम ड्रग्स and this is going not only in colleges, आम सांगताले, it is even going in schools. It is shocking today to see the way drugs are being moved so easily accessible. जे बॉर्डर आहे तेजेर बॉर्डराचे सारखे चेकिंग जायना. दुसरे कोण म्हणटाले लातांबारचे बॉर्डर आहे आणि हुंयच्यान बॉर्डर. सो हू इज गेटिंग these drugs in the state of Goa? Why are the police investigating? If you look, they are right from 2024, their answer is the reason they are still investigating. And why have they failed when there were already 4 deaths? Prior to me asking the question, why are you hiding the first death of Akash Ashish Kumar Gupta? Why are you hiding? So intun disti pada ki there seems to be a nexus. This nexus has to be busted. It is a complete failure of the Home Ministry. Today, Goa, je pad ami sodan munta, is known as the drug capital of our country. हे म्हाका दिसता सगळे कडेन पयलीं बिचीचेर मेळटालें, आतां बारीक जरी तर तूं भितर बारीक गांवां गेल्यार थिंगाय मेळटा, आनी कॉलेजींतूय मेळटा, इस्कॉलांतूय मेळटा. आनी ह्याच सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसलो हे लिगलायज करपाक. मोदें गेले ते टर्माक म्हाका दिसता एक प्रयत्न केलो, एक फायल मूव जाताली लिगलायज करपाक. तर यू सी दिस गव्हर्मेंट हॅज फेल्ड, आनी एक completely law and order situation has failed, and immediately an SIT inquiry should be put, or a retired high court judge. The management cannot wash their hands. I have read also a person or a student who didn't want to be named completely categorically stated ki inga drugs openly madam campusan, आणि जे पळयताय पुलीस तेमी सारकी हेजी कारवाय करपाक जाय. अँड द मॅनेजमेंट हॅज टू बी बुक. दिस इज अ सिरियस ऑफेन्स इन देअर कॅम्पस. आम्ही ऐकले ते भाशेन इवन CCTV कॅमेराज आर नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली, अँड दे वर इन्स्टॉल्ड नाव मे बी द लास्ट 6 months. Such a big institute, so many students studying there. I do not want to get into whether it was some sort of pressure because of the syllabus and whatever. It is a clear-cut case in the last 2 years or so. How many deaths? Almost 6 deaths. Police are saying 5. Reply says up to 3. Why are they hiding this death? The police need to inquire.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.